Yo, what is up, guys? So today we did take a winning trade, as you guys can see, but I'm gonna get right into what I took today. So coming into this market, I really saw this short, right? I did see this short happening. Like we had all the reason to move short because when market opened, we were around here. When we came into market, we had all these resting liquidity and London lows, and with that, we had this massive imbalance that we left. So we had all the reason to go short, right? But still, with my stupid mind, I thought, okay, this could maybe be manipulation and we move higher. But boy, was I wrong. So quickly, I took a loss on this. I did. We took a loss on this. Why I took this trade is because we manipulated all these lows, right? We took out all these lows, and I said to myself, okay, we could see possible rejection. But I would say I was not on the right time frame to be looking for the rejection. I was looking on the 5 minute for like a possible rejection, but I should rather be looking on the 1 minute. What is the 1 minute showing me? This 1 minute showed me like exactly nothing. Actually, maybe this candle could have showed me something, but yeah, I should have not taken this long. I would say like I do regret taking this long, and I think like I had a call with some people today, and they made my mind a bit more clear. They made my mind a bit more clear about the way I'm going with my trading journey right now, and I would say that's a pretty good like situation to be in. I would say so. With that in mind, I do like. I think I will be moving more forward with that in mind. So yeah, that was the first trade. The second trade I took was like after we swept all of this. I mean, I wasn't looking at the lower time frames. They just tell myself, yo, we have all this, like we respected this, and with OTE. So after I said to myself, okay, maybe I want to take this. When do I want to take this? If we get a reaction. So what was I looking for? So the first thing I saw that happening is that okay, we were like chopping around. Usually I don't take anything within this. So I waited for some confirmation, right? So the confirmation that I had was like right here. We swept this, and all I was waiting for after that was I mean, not really that, but I was waiting for like a confirmation that we could go higher. So what does price do? We break out of this area. Where does this go to? We go to this imbalance right here. We get a reaction. This reaction fails. When this reaction failed, I was looking for entry. The only like I could have maybe taken retracement, but I did really like this inversion entry. So I took an inversion entry right on this. Like when we inversed, actually we inversed, and then I waited for a retest, retested that, and I took my entry off of that. I did not take profit on that. I took it on the 15-minute imbalance. So this was the trade I took. Took a pretty long time, I would say. And that maybe a bit not that long, but it did take a bit of time. I was targeting this 15-minute imbalance of the CE of there. So that was my target. So why I took this trade is because the first reason even wanted to see, sir. The first reason why I even wanted to see shorts is that okay, I saw in this like instance, like I wanted to see a retracement happening. So that's why I wanted to see shorts. And if we do respect like bullish PD arrays with that retracement, I could see like I could see like possible moves going higher, right? So with that in mind, I said okay, and we had like a big imbalance that we could have filled, and I said okay, that's pretty fine. So I took the trade. It was a bit long of a trade, but yeah, overall I would not say it's a bad technical wise, but I would say it's an okay trade. So I would not say it's bad on technical wise. I would say it's an okay trade. Actually, I would say it's a good trade, but like uh it's just too higher time frame for me. I usually am like I'm usually trading really quickly, but like it's just a really long time, and I was waiting in this trade for quite a bit of time. That's the only thing annoying. But further than that, pretty good trade, I would say. So yeah, that's basically how these accounts are going. I would say this month has been going pretty break even. I would say we're kind of going out of there, but yeah. One thing I will say is that I took a payout. The payout I took was mostly of last month's profits, but I would say like what I realized today is that the things that I'm experiencing right now is is like they're signs of me entering new territory. Like I might not realize it at the moment, but I'm like you can see like I've been losing a lot, right? I've lost a lot of trades, and that's been really aching me mentally because nobody likes losing trades. So with that in mind, I've been getting affected mentally, but I have to look at it on the bigger picture, right? It's healthy to, for example, get a good result 1 month and then get a bad result 1 month because they will equal one out. I cannot like it's all like the human being always wants to do better, better and better. But it's healthy for me to see, okay, I did good that month, but this month I did worse. Maybe I would not say I had luck, but like maybe that month I didn't had like these market conditions that we have right now, and that didn't affect me in that way. So what I'm trying to say is that I did pretty good last month, but maybe the habits that I still kept from that month is going over to right now, and they're not working. That's maybe showing me to become a better person trading wise. That the mistakes, I mean the habits that I had, they don't work, and maybe it's showing me, okay, I have to overcome these habits in order to become even better as a trader. So with that in mind, it's a pretty healthy state to be in. Like, and I can just see this everything as growing, as like how do you say this? Growth. That was the word. So yeah. With this payout as well, I'm gonna be scaling a lot more in like eval, so I have to figure that out. So I'll probably figure out that tomorrow or the day after. It's on my yeah. I will figure it out one of those 2 days. Especially in the weekend, I will have some time to do that. But overall, yeah, I've been doing okay. I would not say I've lost a lot, but I've been doing pretty okay. I did buy a new training combine. Uh, Looking back on it, there's like not pretty a reason for me why to buy this trading combine. Looking back on it, but I did get a good winning day today, so we did get 50% of this. I will not say this good, but I did take 2 trades. One trade was like I kind of sized, I kind of calculated my risk wrong. I took the 2 same trades, kind of calculated my risk wrong, and then I had like a pretty big stop loss, and I said, oh, we're in profit. I'm gonna just take some out because this is not the way I should be trading. So I took some out, some of that uh risk that I had. I took some out, and yeah. So yeah, I took some risk out of there. So yeah, that's basically it for today's video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow is gonna be a good day as well. If it is, I'll be passing this combine, but like I'm not gonna force it. I know I have to be just following the rules, my rules. I mean, and yeah, that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and bye bye.